Frame damage versus body damage. Have you ever wondered what the difference is between frame damage and body damage when it comes to your vehicle? Understanding this distinction can save you time and money during the auto insurance claims process. Let's break it down. Frame damage refers to harm or deformation to the vehicle's underlying structural framework. This framework supports the entire weight of the car and maintains its shape and balance. When the frame is damaged, it can affect the vehicle's safety and handling. On the other hand, body damage involves the outer panels of the vehicle, like doors, fenders, bumpers, and the hood. This type of damage is mostly cosmetic and does not affect the core structural integrity of the vehicle. From an auto insurance perspective, frame damage is more serious and costly than body damage. The frame is a complex metal structure that absorbs and distributes impact forces during a collision. If the frame is compromised, it can lead to safety issues and affect how the vehicle performs. Insurance companies take frame damage seriously and often requiring professional frame straightening or replacement, which can be expensive. If the cost to repair frame damage exceeds about 60 to 70% of the vehicle's value, insurers typically declare the car a total loss. This means it is not economically valuable to repair the vehicle. In contrast, body damage repairs are usually less costly and more straightforward. These repairs are often covered under collision or comprehensive coverage without totaling the vehicle. Driving a vehicle with frame damage can be unsafe. A weakened frame cannot properly absorb impacts, increasing the risk of injury in another accident. It may also lead to handling problems, uneven tire wear, and premature suspension damage. Legally, driving with known frame damage can violate safety standards and affect insurance coverage. Some insurers may refuse or limit coverage for vehicles with frame damage. During the insurance claims process, frame damage requires a detailed assessment by adjusters. They determine if repairs are feasible or if the vehicle should be totaled. Repairing frame damage often involves specialized equipment like frame lifts and may requiring replacing damaged sections. Body damage repairs typically involve panel replacement, dent removal, and repainting. In summary, frame damage affects the vehicle's core structure and safety, leading to higher repair costs and stricter insurance considerations. Body damage affects the vehicle's appearance and minor functionality but is generally less severe in terms of insurance impact and repair complexity. Knowing these differences can help car owners and insurers make informed decisions during the claims and repair process.